Hello everyone, welcome to this virtual interview session of 2026 Taiwan Siemens Day. My name is Joyce, and this year we are truly honored to have a very special guest. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to Dr. Robin.
My name is Robin Bornoff. I've worked in the field of electronics thermal simulation for just over 30 years now. I've worked with Simcenter Flotherm throughout my entire career, and I'm happy to be here.
And today we also have Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay from EFD Corporation. I'm CEO of the EFD Corporation. Nice to meet you.
So when Flotherm was first released in 1988, people were having to deal with thermal management to improve the reliability of their electronic products. What we did at that time is, by producing Simcenter Flotherm, we gave them a simulation alternative to doing physical build and test. And it was a revolutionary approach at the time. We sold Flotherm and converted experimentalists into computational aided engineers. So the one thing we did with Flotherm is remember our target user persona. These people were not computational engineers, So we had to make sure that Flotherm was absolutely focused and extremely easy to create a virtual simulation model.
Yeah, I think right now we have many different CFA tools. Some tool is general purpose, but I think Flotherm is dedicated, focused on thermal electronic cooling.
It was the first CFD thermal simulation tool dedicated for electronics thermal.
Yeah, so this is very unique. So I think the thermal issue is always there. So people always need thermal simulation tool. And for example, for data center, in the past few years, they only use air cooling, but right now they need liquid cooling.
And it's a big change in terms of simulation, where in the past, a lot of the focus was on three-dimensional computational fluid dynamics, look at how the airflow moves in 3D. With liquid cooling, where the liquid is supplied and then pass it over a component in a cold plate and then extract that liquid. And I think this is where we're going to see system simulation, a sort of a 1D CFD approach, becoming much more applicable to next generation cooling simulation approaches.
So I think Siemens can provide a total solution for data center, improve 1D CFD and also 3D CFD.
Yeah. We have a range of these technologies with established close interfaces to enable the most appropriate selection of simulation technologies to be applied for a given application.
So in conclusion, Flotherm is now a very important software in this era, and also Siemens provide a very complete solutions to our customers, to the users, and also our OITC and EFD sales and technique will bring our Dr. Robin to our customer sites to show our technique power and sales power also. Mr. Robin, your presentation today at 2026 Taiwan Siemens Days was truly impressive. Could you share your opinions or your feelings about today's event?
Today's event, I was thinking, this is, I think, the largest event that I have ever presented at, And it is truly amazing, all showing the application of our Simcenter software for a range of different application use cases. Absolutely fascinating, but also from my perspective, what I found extremely useful was the opportunity to talk face-to-face, with individual users of the adoption of Simcenter Flotherm and Simcenter FlowEFD within Taiwan. It was incredible, and I must say, it is one of the best organized meeting events I think we visited 6 different companies that use our Simcenter software. The number of engineers that attended these meetings was very, very large indeed. And again, my impression is not only is Simcenter Flotherm and Simcenter Flow EFD used, it is used by many, many people within many, many different companies as well. So again, but the applications in the future as well. And I suppose one of my biggest impressions was, again, I'm impressed by the number of engineers within OITC and EFD Corp that are there to best support our mutual customers, yeah, and in terms of technical knowledge, yeah, unrivaled, yeah. So for us to have confidence in OITC and EFD for technical support of our customers, yeah, 100%. Been an absolute pleasure. Thank you very much indeed for hosting me. Thank you.
And we say goodbye to our audience. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
OITC and EFD, the best partner of Siemens.